Hey everyone, welcome to Bistégs TV. Today we're whipping up a classic favorite, crispy, fluffy, golden corn dogs. Perfectly fluffy on the outside and juicy on the inside. These corn dogs are super easy to make in just 10 minutes, so stick around. Cool, let's get started. Alright, first grab a mixing bowl and add 2 cups of pancake mix. Next, we're going to crack in 1 egg. The egg helps to bind everything together. Now for a little twist, we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a subtle sweetness. Finally, pour in half a cup of water. Now, take a whisk and start mixing everything together. Stir it well until you get a silky smooth texture with no lumps. You want it to be smooth because this will give our corn dogs a nice, even coating when we dip them. Once you've got that lump-free, silky batter, you're ready for the next step. You want a batter that's smooth and glossy, with no dry spots left. Now that our base is ready, let's thicken up the batter a bit more. To do this, we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This helps give the corn dogs a thicker, crispier coating. Next, pour in another half cup of water. The trick here is to get just the right texture, thick but still smooth enough to coat the hot dogs evenly. Grab your whisk and start mixing everything together again. Stir until there are no lumps left and the batter is completely smooth. It should be thick enough to stick well when we dip the hot dogs, but not too runny. Once you've got that perfect consistency, go ahead and set the bowl aside. We're ready to move on to prepping the hot dogs. Next, let's prep our hot dogs. Simply grab a few hot dogs and slide a barbecue stick through the center of each one, just like a kebab. Easy, right? Now set them aside and we're ready to coat them. All right, before we dip our hot dogs in the batter, we need a quick step to help it stick better. Take an empty plate and sprinkle some flour all over it. Now, grab 1 hot dog on a stick and roll it through the flour, making sure it's completely covered. This thin layer of flour will help the batter grip onto the hot dog, giving us that perfect crispy coating. Repeat this process for each hot dog until they're all evenly covered in flour. Set them aside once you're done, and we'll get to the fun part next, dipping them in the batter. Put the hot dogs on a stick into a plate, and let's get ready for the next step. Dip each hot dog into the batter and roll it so that it is covered. Gently place the coated hot dog into heated oil and let it cook on low heat until golden brown. Remember to cook on low heat to ensure the batter gets nice and crispy without burning. This step gives our corn dogs that perfect golden color and delicious crunch. Once the first side is golden, carefully flip the corn dog to cook the other side until it's just as crispy and golden. Now, just repeat the same process for the rest. Take each one, dip it into the batter, making sure it's fully coated, and then gently place it into the hot oil. Once your corn dogs are perfectly golden on both sides, you'll see that golden brown crunch on the outside, while the hot dog inside stays juicy and tender. Take a moment to appreciate how amazing they look, crispy, golden, and fluffy. Just make sure to flip each hot dog to make sure that both sides are cooked and golden. We are almost done. You can already tell these are going to be delicious. As you finish up each corn dog, feel free to arrange them neatly on your plate and get ready to serve them hot. Carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain off any excess oil. Look at that beautiful crispy coating. They're perfect for snack or breakfast. Repeat the process for the remaining hot dogs. And that's it. Our delicious homemade corn dogs are ready to serve. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. The perfect snack or meal for any time. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. We hope you're as excited to try these fluffy corn dogs as we are. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Stay tuned for more easy recipes coming your way. Thanks again for joining us today. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.